Yeah. What? Yeah. Gonna watch that.
Oh, honey, you don't look so good. You should stay home for brunch. We can see Grandma when we get there. Oh, yeah, so good.
What's the difference? You got the coupon.
There's no way I'm letting you pay full price. Well, there's a perfectly good coupon sitting on the couch. Now I gotta pay.
Oh! Come on. That's the day my grandmother died.
American Pie is back with a hot new slice.
Why are you still whacking it to that dumpster board? Stiflers do not fake being sick. Stay home, pull
Harry, please.
We cut plastic in ass.
Okay, can I stop you there? You're a stifler and a virgin?
They're doing a monster party this weekend for the Naked Mile. What's the Naked Mile? Oh, dude, it's this thing where thousands of students run naked through campus. Thousands of naked chicks.
Here we come!
Your cousin is my hero.
The Naked Mile is insane. From what I hear, I wouldn't know from personal experience. Welcome to the Naked Mile. Nobody starts this Naked Mile without me.
On December 19th. Let the games begin.
Single plan's been undefeated 5 years.
Don't let their size fool you.
These guys are evil.
The midget fraternity? I can't believe we lost to midgets.
Next competition!
I've got the smoking hot sorority girls all over me.
That virgin thing, it totally changed at the end of the weekend.
No more virgin jokes. Tonight, Eric Stifler becomes a man.
Eric.
This holiday. Get the gift.
Whoa, what's that?
It's already unwrapped.
Definitely.
American Pie presents
Stiflers do get out of control sometimes.
The Naked Mile, unrated.
Aren't you excited, Harry?
I'm very excited. Don't you get excited?
On DVD December 19th.
This new year, you will be amazed by what one man can do with only one ball. From the creators of Reno 911. Hands of lightning. Feet of thunder. Oh, balls of fury.
She will be the one who will be giving you a hands-on training.
Gets wax off a whole new meaning. Balls of fury.
Hi, first talkie. Small ping pong.
See.
Represent.
Police work is as much about preventing crime as it is about fighting crime. Most importantly, it is about procedural correctness in the execution of unquestionable moral.
Yeah.
Any questions? Yes.
Is it true that there is a place in a man's head that if you shoot it, it will blow up? Oh, yeah.
Hot fuzz.
Coming soon to HD, DVD, and DVD.
Years together.
You got 3 lemons.
What my baby wants, my baby gets.
Yeah, but I wanted 12. Baby wanted 12.
Gary and Brooke are both still in love
I'm done.
with their condo.
You think I'm gonna move out of the place and let her keep it? I don't know. I'm not Columbo.
Vince Vaughn and Jennifer Aniston.
I'm gonna be very jealous. Hi, Paul.
So how do you and Brooke know each other?
Don't we know each other? You know what I mean?
Alright, come on.
The breakup.
Please don't touch my ruffles. Put that one back.
Now available. This is by the classification Raimi Administration. www.filmrings.com